We are also now given to understand that the Union Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is also in Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar. He is reviewing the airport operations at the Jammu Kashmir airport. We understand at these visuals that came in from Srinagar earlier. Well, listen into what he had to say, and also my colleague Nazir getting us more about this visit of the Civil Aviation Minister.
ये जो कठिन समय था ये पिछले 3 हफ्ते का, तो उस समय हमारे सिविल एविएशन के भी थोड़े एयरपोर्ट्स हमने बंद किए थे सिक्योरिटी के हिसाब से। उसके अंदर श्रीनगर का भी था, और श्रीनगर एयरपोर्ट जब बंद था तो यहाँ पे हमारे जो अधिकारी थे, कर्मचारी थे, और उन्होंने भी जो साहस उन्होंने दिखाया, जो हिम्मत के साथ उन्होंने काम किया और सेना के साथ मिलकर जो काम किया, उसके लिए उनसे भी हम प्रत्यक्ष में उनसे मिलकर हम चाहते थे कि उनका भी मनोबल बढ़ाएं। तो उसके लिए भी हम आए थे, हम सबसे मिले, तो उनके ऊपर उनके चेहरों पे मुस्कुराहट हमें देखने को आज मिला, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा उसके लिए भी। और तीसरी बात जो मैं आज कहना चाहता हूं कि 3 हफ्तों से जो नो टाइम का रिस्ट्रिक्शन था और एयरपोर्ट भी नहीं चल रहा था, तो फ्लाइटें आने जाने का कोई मौका नहीं था। पर आज 15 तारीख जो है, आज से हम पूरी तरह से सारे शेड्यूल्स ओपन कर दिए हैं।
Heard Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu speaking to media there after visiting Srinagar airport. So it's an important visit in a sense. Over the last 1 week, how everything got disrupted at Srinagar airport. Airport had to be closed for the civilian traffic, civilian flights. So it has a huge impact on that, and now it is actually not easy thing to restore it fully. Only few flights, 7-8 flights have been operating during the day compared to 100 flights in a day at Srinagar airport itself. So therefore yesterday I was seeing there were 900 people who have travelled from Srinagar airport compared to 15,000 people or the 11,000 people who would normally travel from Srinagar airport daily. So there's a huge impact on the economy, huge impact on tourism, and tourism, one way to gauge the tourism in Jammu and Kashmir is how many flights are coming to Srinagar every day, because that shows the tourist rush. And when airlines don't have the passengers, they prefer not to come. So only few flights are actually coming. So perhaps this aviation minister would be actually factoring how to deal with this, how to make our airport fully functional. Though there's no problem with the airport, but the fact is airlines are not coming because there are no passengers per se. So it is something government is trying to reach out to people, because things have to get back to normal.